Senator Ed Markey and Senator Richard Blumenthal have written to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration asking for it to investigate Tesla full self-driving over FSD driving dangerously around railroads. Here's why the senators wrote to NHTSA. FSD has been putting Tesla owners and members of the public at risk for years because it can't drive safely around railroads. FSD tried to drive in front of an oncoming train in Denver. No competent human driver would drive directly in front of an approaching train.
My car would have just smacked into that tram.
Here, FSD drives directly on light rail tracks in Santa Monica.
But it fucking turns into the train lane, right? Is it called train lane? Yeah, it's just fucking crazy.
In this clip, FSD ignores a stop here on red sign and stops directly on the railroad tracks.
Now it's trying to take a left-hand turn, and now it's completely stopped on the light rail tracks.
A Tesla sedan had to be lifted off the train tracks in Berks County yesterday. Officials say the car was set in self-driving mode when it was hit by a train.
Railroad crossings are simple. When the red lights flash and the alarm bells ring, you must stop and wait for the train to pass. But FSD doesn't recognize the lights and tries to drive straight through the barriers at high speed, forcing the driver to swerve and crash to avoid driving into the side of a train. FSD makes an illegal right turn and tries to drive straight through the railroad crossing barrier.
We could all see the no right-hand turn arrow. I wonder why. So, right here I intervened and hit the brakes. Oh, shit.
Here, FSD approaches the railroad crossing as the barriers are closing and tries to drive straight through them. In this clip, the railroad crossing's warning lights turn on and the barriers begin to descend. FSD fails to stop, forcing the driver to take over and accelerate through the crossing. NBC News published footage of 5 incidents where FSD tried to crash into railroad crossing barriers. The videos were taken by multiple Tesla owners in California, Texas, and Virginia. Had the human drivers not slammed on the brakes, full self-driving would have driven through the barriers and straight across the railroad tracks, in some cases with a train approaching. Tesla fanboy Joe Tegmeyer even described how a supervised robotaxi tried to drive across a railroad crossing with a train approaching.
We were waiting at a light, and there was also a railroad crossing right by that traffic area. And as we were waiting, the lights came on for the train to come by, and the the arm started coming down, and the robotaxi did not see that, and the safety observer had to do a stop of the vehicle until the train had passed.
When the Dawn Project tested how FSD version 13.2.9 on a Hardware 4 Model Y handled a railroad crossing in Ventura County, California, we found that FSD would blow straight past the railroad crossing's warning lights and alarm bells and drive in front of an oncoming train. NHTSA must investigate Tesla full self-driving's egregiously dangerous behavior around railroads. The latest version of the software drives just as dangerously around railroads as versions from 3 years ago. Self-driving software that will drive straight through a railroad crossing barrier and into the path of an oncoming train has no place on public roads.